Bishop Peterkin Waterman Declavon House, 1875, built in the Gothic architectural style. This large brick house was constructed about 1875. It was the home of the Right Reverend George William Peterkin, who lived from 1841 to 1916. He was the first Episcopal bishop of the Diocese of West Virginia. Bishop Peterkin, who lived here with his family from 1878 until his death in 1916, made his home a place of hospitality. Bishop Peterkin, a native of Maryland, had joined the Confederate Army in the Civil War. He served on the staff of Artillery General William N. Pendleton, an Episcopal priest, and was present at Lee's surrender at Appomattox. After the Peterkin family left the house, the Reverend Joseph M. Waterman, rector of Trinity Episcopal Church in Parkersburg, purchased it from the church in 1959. The house was then turned into 5 apartments. The youngest Waterman's son, Alex Waterman, moved into one of the apartments and raised his family here. The Declavons purchased the house from the Waterman estate and have returned it to a single-family dwelling. The handsome house features ceilings over 11 feet high, pocket doors, chandeliers, original mantels, and a large central hallway. Although principal rooms have been restored to a period appearance, a totally modern kitchen and modern bathrooms have been added. The original property lines have been maintained, extending from Ann Street, terracing down to Murdoch Avenue. The front yard features the largest American sycamore in Wood County, and West Virginia's largest horse chestnut tree is on the property line.